In our previous video, we have learned about the Bubbly, that Bubbly is a very brave girl. And what happened? She's so brave. She loves to study. She loves to work with the mother. And what happened one day? She was doing some work near the river, near the bank of the river. Then what happened? The six children who were playing nearby her, they fall into the water and they start screaming and started shouting with fear. Then what happened? Let's listen. Bubbly heard their screams and raced to the spot. She quickly ran to the spot where they were, and many grown up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river, but no one tried to save the drowning children. Bubbly Bubbly heard their screams and raced to the spot. Many grown up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river. Bitter chased, here the word has come, screamed to the race to the spot, raced running quickly, raced to the spot. Many grown up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river, but no one tried to save the drowning children. It was Bubbly who jumped into the river. It was only Bubbly who jumped into the river and brought two children back safely to the bank. Then she jumped into the water again and saved two more children. As she got ready to jump into the river a third time, her brother came running to help her. They saved the two remaining children. Again, I'm telling you, it was a Bubbly who jumped into the river and she saved six children like this. Now, the brave little girl had saved six children from the death in the water. Then suddenly the little Bubbly was a heroine. A newspaper reporter wrote about her. Brave deeds in the newspaper Amar Ujala. He asked Bubbly father. He asked Bubbly father to send her name for the National Bravery Award. Bubbly won the National Award and many other awards too. Bubbly is still the same simple, smiling girl. She is happy that she could do something for others. She is a shining example of courage. That means the Bubbly's name and fame is like anything, growing like anything, and she become a star of the village, star of the area. And she won many prizes. She won National Bravery Award and many more awards too. And she is a shining example of courage. She was so brave and she was so good and she was so lucky that God her God had given her a chance to save the life of six children. So children, I hope you like this story and you will read it.